Hey, Array of Hope Health friends, it's Coach Sarah here, and I have my daughter Lily and my daughter Haven. I have a little fun surprise for you guys. It's a Array of Hope Health live takeover from my daughter Lily. She is always coming up with super creative ideas, and I thought, she is a trim, healthy kid, and I know that you guys want to encourage your kids to be trim and healthy also. So I thought, who better than my daughter Lily to inspire your kids and maybe even give you some ideas on how to make some healthy snacks for your kids. Okay, so do you want to take it away?
Yeah, so today I was going to show you how to make apples, but I used them already. So I'm going to show you how to make zucchini chips. And so I also had made a snack before. I make mini snacks all the time. There was peanut butter cookies with banana. That was really good. I love that. It was from High Key Cookies. I used that. So we have
Squash chips.
Yeah, squash chips. Then I made apple chips already. And I'm going to show you how to make zucchini chips. So today you can use salt and pepper or salt, or I love spicy things. You could add Slap Your Mama on it. And so I'm just going to get these up, I guess.
Do you want to tell them how thick you cut them?
Try to cut them as thick as you thin. I meant thin, not thick. If you cut them to that will take a long time. But cut them as thin as you can. I love making little snacks like this. Actually, my dad was the one that got this idea, but I love chips like this. And I actually once before I made walnuts. I put them in the what's this called? Dehydrator, and then just had I had sweetener and cinnamon on it. It tasted really good. Even my mom liked it. So,
all right, that's probably enough for you to show them a demo.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need to move this over? Do you want to slide this over there so they can see? So we have a dehydrator from 1950. It's probably literally from 1950. I really don't know. So you can find these at the Goodwill, like anywhere you can find. People are getting rid of dehydrators all the time, and it makes the best stuff because you can just put it in there and then just leave it. So do you want to show them first what you've been working on? She thought of this by herself because her dad had been making zucchini chips for us. And she was like, oh, can I do that with apples? And I'm like, absolutely. So she cut all of these by herself. Do you want to show them?
Yeah, they're apples. All I did was cut up this is I think 6 or 7 apples right here. I think this is 7 apples. All of this together, 7 apples. And look, delicious chips. So
can we try them? I think they're still a little soft, but
yeah. I tried one already, and I know they're a little bit soft, but we'll have to wait a little bit though. But that's okay.
Depending on how thick you cut them, will depend on how long they take in the dehydrator. Sorry, my mouth is full of chip. So these are kind of thick, so they'll take longer. If you cut them really thin, they only take overnight.
Kind of like this.
Otherwise, it can take a couple days if they're really thick. But either way, it works. So whatever you have time for.
So if you cut it like this thick, look. Wow. This thick, that's thick. And that would take a few days. But if you cut it this thin, look at the difference. This will take about overnight. That doesn't take very long. So I actually... This was actually my first time making the apple chips. So my mom said the other day she wants us to use the fresh fruit because at the end of the week it gets all moldy and like that. So I thought of instead of we could use them as chips, and my sister got mad at me, but whatever. Because she wanted apples, but like...
It's okay. She'll forgive you when she can have some chips.
But I was going to show you how to cut it, but we didn't have any apples, and one of the apples we didn't use that were my grandma and grandpa's, it was like mushy. It was gross. So
out of the mouths of babes right here, guys. So what's cool is this dehydrator comes with several trays. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 trays. And so you could put different things on each layer. So you could do a layer of apples, you could do a layer of zucchini.
Or like maybe next time I try oranges and we'll see how those taste. Like there's all different things you could try. Like you could even try bananas, but that's kind of...
Yeah, banana chips.
There could be that.
You could try that.
But,
That would be fun.
Yeah, this
Do you want to show them what to season those with, and then we can show them how we package them?
Yeah, so I'm going to put, for like 1/2, I'm going to put Slap Your Mama, because I love spicy things, and just a little down of Slap Your Mama. Then we'll put on maybe these 2, salt and pepper. Then maybe in one, like we'll put 1 corner salt and pepper, then 1 just salt. We'll see. So I guess we're going to start with the Slap Your Mama. We'll just do a little wood.
Whoa, those are going to be really spicy.
Yes.
We are like a house of 50-50, I would say. Half of us like spice and half of us do not.
Yes. My mom.
What are you on? Team spicy or team no spice?
Yeah, I like spicy. Sometimes I don't if it's too spicy, but usually I'm fine with it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt right here. Then we're going to pop. Oh, yeah, this is epicure.
That one's turmeric and black pepper together.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Just put a little bit.
Looks good.
Then on this side, we'll just put a little bit of salt. So,
all right, that's it. So then this goes in the dehydrator, and it can take a couple days if they're thick, but it's awesome because you just plug it in, set it, and forget it, right?
Yep.
So now how do we package them?
Okay, so my dad bought this thing. It's very giant, but you just put it in and you close the lid. It takes like a few seconds, and look, there's bags and it's packaged.
Yep. So
great.
it's a food sealer. Do you want to open those with the scissor, and then we can show them what they look like and taste like? So this is super nice because it's something portable.
And it just opens that easy.
And I mean, even Lily. Ooh, I'm like ready to eat one. Lily, not all my kids will eat these, but do you hear how crunchy these are? And they've been in that bag for like 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
They're great. But
You could dip these in salsa. Zucchini
yeah, but
chips.
my dad did try before with zucchinis, and he put them in a bowl and overwrapped them, but they weren't chip-like, so they didn't taste really good. Well, they tasted good, but it just needed hardening, so he tried this, and it worked, and they're perfect for chips.
Yep.
Healthy chips.
Healthy chips. That's right. All right. Well, I hope that inspires you guys to help, get your kids involved, have them help you, because when they cook stuff that's trim and healthy, you can eat it too. So hope that was helpful for you guys. Thank you, Lily. That was so fun hanging out with you today. All right. We'll see you guys later. Have a great day.
Bye, guys.